Ciao nice people, welcome on this new stream of game development, which are always fresh and old RPG Maker, yay! So we are here on the fourth day, technically third but okay, fourth day of development of our game for the Indie Game Maker Toolkit Jam. So, out of stream, I did a lot of level design because, let's be honest, on stream I have various difficulties on level designing, and it's not like my level design is good to begin with. For example, is the map. We need just to add the last section, and then I should check the final puzzle and then test if the puzzle is working. I didn't test the puzzle, but if there's something wrong, I suppose I just need to change one tile or two, usually. Okay, so this is our map. First of all, we should update our continental map and use this map. Unfortunately, well, as temporary at least, since I will be updating it later. Unfortunately, if you make a screenshot of the map from the engine, it gets a low resolution. That's why we should, or I use the Cyclone Map Editor, which I don't really use it, but it's for making screenshots. And hi Returnophilian! Nice to see you there! Just in time, we are near the end. Well, we have one more streaming tomorrow, but okay. We have a streaming tomorrow, but it will be just for publishing the game and fixing the last things, actually. So this will be the most important one. Here I just need this plugin for a screenshot. I hope the inclined map won't ruin anything, so this should be enough. Whole map here. Hoping it works. So we can have our background at least. Let's see. Okay, it's working. It has some problems, but it's not the definitive edition. Okay, no. Okay, no, this is kinda intentional, because I was making the grid on the map, but again, this is a temporary map, so it's fine. Okay, it's working fine. Full HD also, yay! Progress percentage. The what? No, I don't have a progress no, it was probably the Cyclone Map Editor. It was only for making a screenshot, actually. Okay. With our screenshot. Okay, here it is. We just need to reduce it by a lot, actually. We need to reduce it to 12.5%. Which is 8 times smaller. So, one tile normally is equal to one tile here. I hope the resolution isn't too messed up. Should be fine. Let's see if it corresponds. Pretty much yes. Oh, no, wait. No, wait, we have a problem. Do we? Wait, let's check further on the right. No, sounds fine, actually. No, that's perfectly fine, never mind, I don't know what I saw. Okay, here. It extends horizontally, maybe I should make the last tile a little bigger, without much content though. We'll see. So, parallax here, replace 8 times small. I should make it a tileset maybe. Because in this way I can also incline the map without having problems. Also I added the title. I don't know if it's the definitive one, but at least we have a title to work with now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, those are the not unlocked areas. Let's cheat for a while. And yes, okay. The world map seems to work. Okay, perfect. Okay, everything looks fine. Okay, perfect. We have our feature. Well, feature. Now we can. Well, now we have finally our world map here. We should fix something. For example, this one shouldn't be there, but it extends mainly horizontally. I can fix it later, though. I maybe have exaggerated a little with the content, because even if it seems small, except the fact that from the eyes of Karina, it's actually small, but that's another point. The puzzles aren't too simple, so you could complete the game in 15 minutes. I would say 20, because I want to put some dialogues then there, because it's not Waldorf game without extra dialogues or random banters dialogues. And the other thing I wanted to say, I forgot. Yeah, and if you don't know how to play those puzzles, you may end up here for 1 hour even. So maybe I need to make someone play test, like Michael tomorrow. What's with all the temples? Oh, thanks for asking. Those temples are an addition to improve a little the gameplay. Or, not the gameplay, it's the reasoning behind the puzzle game. Because, up until now, you don't have a reason to explore previous areas. You just go in the next area, you unlock the map, and now that you unlock the map, you can create steps and create shortcuts in the middle of those sections, as you see. So you don't have any reason to return back here, except for those temples. The temples should be the ones to activate a bridge. For example, you need to go here and activate this bridge. They are simple switches. The trick is, those temples deactivate with earthquakes, or deactivates when you go into the continental map. So you have to carefully place your shortcuts, your how to call it. You have to carefully place your free passing tiles, and then go to the bridge without placing others. So you need to watch carefully on where to place your free movement tiles. And then you walk without placing others. So this is a simple trick for let the player think ahead. The second one is more trickier. It's here and you need to go to the bridge up until here. The next one is even a little trickier. You have this one, you go all the way around and you go here in the final zone. And I want to make the final puzzle, on quotes, that you need to activate all 4 of them together. There is a 4th one. So you have to walk up the entire world to place all of them together and then go there. The difficulty is that you can step on each macro tile only once. So it's a puzzle game about movement at this point. I hope it's not too complex, but at least it feels a full game since it doesn't have a final boss fight. Oh, now that I think about it, we need an antagonist. The game needs an antagonist or an end goal. At the start I said defeating the evil lord, but we could go somewhat lower. Even if, yeah, as they say, go big or go home. But no, this time we settled for something a little lower than a demon lord. Nice idea, thanks. Yeah, unfortunately, the puzzle game at the start had an interesting concept, but it was lacking all puzzle elements to make it fun. So, the huge improvement was the continental map. Without that, this should not be called a puzzle game, actually. With the puzzle map changes a lot, the puzzle and the game. And the temples are something too, in addition with that. So with a gun in legs? No, that's for another game. I was thinking about, I don't know, a rich guy. Because, for the simple reason, I wanted to make a Monopoly joke at the end. Or, I don't know, I don't know why, actually. But the idea starts. I was thinking, I don't remember if it was on stream yesterday or not. I was thinking about the story, because maybe her mission starts differently. Her mom, or the mom, tells her to go fetch something for her. Which should be here in the castle city, which is, as you see, pretty hard to reach. And when you go here, you discover that the item is not longer available because some other the evil guy did something, legally or illegally. For example, a monopoly. I don't know. We should find the antagonist. I really want an antagonist from the generator, because I need more antagonists for making much later in the future, eventually, a Demon Lord Corporation game. So, let's start looking, I suppose. Yeah, we have anagram. But no, it's not really anagram. Ha! Random. Oh, this guy is ugly. We can work with that, actually. We can work with this. With some differences, though. It's pretty ugly, I would say, but we can fix him. We can fix him. So, what sort of guy do we want? What sort of character would fit in this story, or with this protagonist? Well, it only appears in the final part, so it's not really a present antagonist, but it's still one antagonist. The guy is not looking that bad, but needs some fixing. So first, well, he needs a mustache, of course. This mustache is pretty ugly, though. I mean, the mouth is placed weird. I should have a smaller mustache. Oh, this one works pretty well. Oh, these one are actually even better. What else do we have? Those ones work pretty well, actually. We go with blue. We can also go with a classic brown. Blue is interesting, though. No elf ears. Eyes. First we should check the rest. We should give him an ugly nose. A very ugly nose. This one seems to fit. Well, let's not make him too ugly. Facial marks. Maybe it doesn't need them. I still don't like him that much, though. No best ears, no tail, no wings. A dress. This dress fits him really well, actually. Maybe it doesn't need a cloak, or does it? It doesn't. I would say it doesn't. It's beautiful, thanks. It needs still some fixing. Oh yeah, maybe this one is too much. This one is an exaggeration. Okay, it's looking a little better. This is interesting, but I don't know. This one is weird. With the eyeglasses. It lost some of the charm, I would say, but let's see. Even like this is kinda looking good, but with a hat, could be better. This one? No, I don't really like it. The glasses work fine, though. Those ones are also kinda perfect. A little taller here. Yeah, based on the position, it also gives a different aura, so that's something. This should be the default one, it's too low. It's looking a little better. So we should fix his hair, maybe. It doesn't look that evil now, though. This one is a little better, I would say. The skin color. Well, we made the protagonist a little tanned, so we can make him a little lighter, maybe. What about the hair? This color isn't looking that bad, but We could default to a more classic one. Oh, gray or white looks decent. This one is a little less white, but could work. Oh, we just have gray. And white was better though. Okay. It's not that ugly anymore though. He could have a mustache instead. No, okay, no. This is a little more evil. And it's still the marks on the face. No, no. I should check again on the hair. Also, we need a name for him. This one was nice, but... Oh, this gives the vibe of an evil librarian. I don't know. This one also fits? No, this one is too much. Even if... No, with the glasses is a little weird. I could make some editing to make the glasses fit, but... not really worth it. Also, no, I don't need another sprite for him. We can use the default one here. This hair, but it's the Fadzai hair, so maybe not. Okay, those one looked decent, like this one. Alternatively, we can use this one. I don't like that one piece of hair is in between the glasses, though. This one looks well enough. For the hair, we have this one, which should fit. Otherwise, well, it doesn't make much difference. So we can try a little. Yeah, they pretty much don't clash that much. Which is fine. This one looked nice. Otherwise, this one is a little better though. It still doesn't feel evil. Maybe we need to change the eyes. No, not those ones. Maybe the eyebrows. Okay, those eyes are a little better, but we can see others. Those ones even. Also, why this guy is evil? I think he just wants money. Okay, no, wait. Okay, I probably am missing a detail, a very important detail. It's kinda hiding. Okay, so there is a specific lore moment in the story of this world. It's right after the events of That's My Exploit Keeper, where the world is an kinda weird situation where there are some secrets in the code that people can exploit and find. The first one to do that was Edinia from the other game. Now, our protagonist of this game, Miss Kalena, is another one of those. After Edinia and some other maybe. So now the world is in a weird situation where people are starting to understanding that something is wrong with the world. So maybe this guy is some sort of... The point is, this is very secondary lore story. It's not the main plot, but it could have something to do with it. Lore, yeah! This is a very big lore moment. Yeah, because I wanted to make some sort of sequel about Exploit Keeper. After I played Outer Wilds, I got some good inspiration. But, alas, it's at the end of the list. We have too many games. Okay, though this guy is looking kinda evil now. Let's see if we can have other choices. No, the good one was this one. Okay, this one looks well. We can lower the eyebrows to make him eviler. The second eyebrows. We can look for other eyebrows. The second ones looked kinda evil. Oh, okay. Those are even eviler. They are. Maybe also the mouth, it shouldn't be smiling. The second one was actually nice though. The mouth maybe gives something away. Okay, yeah, it's more evil now. Awesome. Doesn't need anything else. No, we're fine. It's evil. I would say it's evil enough. Nice hair. Nice mustache. Can we have different one? No, this one is too much. This one works fine, but yeah, this one is perfect. Feels like the head aristocrat or something like that. Nice eyes. Which color are the eyes? Black. We can have different colors, like those one gray ones work pretty well actually. Is in the right tone with the hair. The nose is awful, awesome. Yeah, he's an evil guy. Awesome, awesome. Maybe a mark, a small mark here. Just for decoration. The other are a little exaggerated. The eye, no. Okay, one here, sure. Here it's a little more coherent maybe, okay. And he's a cat boy. He's a cat boy. No. Okay, it's everything. The rest maybe, but it's working pretty fine, I would say. Maybe you can change the extra color, which yellow... Ah no, that's... Yellow is also elsewhere. Yellow works fine though. We should change the color of the glasses though. For it. Blue was kind of fine, but something that fits a little more. Like grey ones. Full black ones even. No. The blue ones give a little extra color vibe, I would say. For balance it, maybe we can have the clothing with some extra blue. Ooh, no, that's weird. Yellow works perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. The green maybe. I think the green may help. Yeah, okay. We have something. We have something. It's white with green and yellow. I think it works fine. Okay. We need a name for him. Evil guy for now. We need an evil name. Well, first of all, we need to place him in the story. So, he doesn't look for a direct confrontation with the protagonist, but he bought all the items in the capital for something. At this point, we could say that he bought all the items the mom of the protagonist was looking for experimenting with the game logic. He's kinda onto something on the game logic, and so he bought the items to try something. He's very rich, so he can afford scientists to look for hints or something like that. So maybe he could have a trick up his sleeve at the end. So, he's a guy that has a lot of money, that is looking for the secret of the rules of the world. And what else? Well, it's evil. Doesn't need anything else. So we need a name for him. We should take out our notes. This is important. I want to make it on stream. I can make level design out of stream, but the choice of this character name should be on stream. Even if the game being not that easy, maybe some people won't even see him, but sure, let's try. Did I start a stream on? Yes, on the other channel, yes. So, this is completely secondary. We should do this for last, but... Wait, I have an idea. We could do this for... We can give him a... No, I won't give him a temporary name because... As always, it will end up as the final name. So no, we won't. I could just not name it. Name it maybe on the last stream, but... Curriculum, certified evil guy. Well, not really evil, but more like... I don't think it's the right term, but I got this in mind, scrupulous. Sure. He's not evil, he's just... Well, yeah, he's not directly evil, he wants the power. It's fighting for the power. But not directly, it's a weird fight of power. It's the knowledge part of the fight. How to say it? Interesting how I'm starting to form some lore in the Exploit Keeper universe. Okay. He's rich. He's ugly. We can insult him how much we want, don't worry. He can't hear us, and even if he can, he can't do anything. So he sends people to... Okay, so it's some sort of... I don't know why it came this term to me. Librarian... A librarian of tricks, I would say. A librarian of tricks. We don't have to give him a name, actually. We can give him a surname, like the librarian of tricks. Doesn't really show the part of he's rich. What is him? What is he? What is he actually? Because we don't... Well, a noble? Well, feels like a noble. Curriculum, certified evil guy, at least he's rich. No. Even if they are not linked. At least he's rich. Yeah, even if he's ugly. Well, the things compensate, unfortunately. So, I don't know why I got the term librarian. It's not really a librarian. We didn't decide what he is, though. So maybe he was a librarian and found a trick to gain infinite wealth, like does Edinia in Exploit Keeper. It's not impossible. Again, as I said, the rules of the world are in shambles, so that might be possible. The name though would sound weird in the game, because... Yeah, he's stacking up on tricks. Okay, yeah, maybe he's stacking up on tricks. He needs though he needs to show the tricks at the end, otherwise the name is for nothing. Okay, we don't need a name for everyone actually. We could give me a nickname eventually, just for saving the car, I don't know, so something with tricks. So like... Bibic, like bibliotecario, librarian in Italian, and tricks. Bibic. Bibic is kinda ugly name as he is, so maybe it's fitting. Bibic. I don't really like the name Bibic. Bibrick. Bibrick! I won't use this name in the game, but at least for us, we can have a name to address him as. Bibrick. Bibrick is a little better. We can use Bibrick for saving files. With a CK, because it came from trick. Bibrick. Bibrick. And also, well, damaged, I suppose. Here. We don't need a butler, but yeah, for adding them, for adding him on the stream, sure. B-brick. B-brick. Okay. We have the antagonist. We, B-brick, but we give him the actual name. Librarian of Tricks. So maybe as an antagonist, I should introduce him earlier because I don't like the fact that he doesn't appear anywhere. Well, it should be secondary, but yeah, I would say the story needs some early hook, because I suppose when you are here at the story, you start to get bored. Not really, but the hook is missing. I don't know. I suppose I should insert a hook here. Yeah, maybe when the protagonist goes here, she finds the Librarian of Tricks, B-brick. He does some weird trick on her, and so she gets upset. And so she wants to, I don't know, go to him and get the things the mom asked for, and also make him pay. Also, maybe this guy could suspect something on her trick, her word map trick. Do you think you finish this game in this stream? No, never. I have until tomorrow at 19 though. Today I want to make everything work. And tomorrow I will finish the last part of the game. And make the title and the game page. And beta test it. Okay, I need to work a little more. Okay, okay. So I made a list here of things I need. Not all of them are necessary. Like, go to super map transition. We need to program. No, we need the image. We need the image for the super map transition. That's right. We can get the asset from RPG Maker to VX. Let's take from Upper Dam. Not this one. Here. Let's take. Sure, my edizione Pasquale. Anything works. Oh wait, it's RTP. It's without RTP. Never mind. Oh no, how it works now? Where do I get the graphics? Here. Damn. Okay, we might look the graphics somewhere else. For example, online. The map image. No, I don't think it's the right look. Oh wait, that's what no, that's another plugin I was looking for. Never mind. Map icon set here. That's a little better. We can use the graphics from CADs, maybe. CADs, ooh, CADs could help a lot. That's not really the right style, but it's pretty cool anyways. Do we have a map here? Yes, we have. We have a map. Okay, CADs, thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. You saved me here. Well, I could have used the VX graphics, but this is better. Also, I should find another icon for the grid. I might want to also implement a way to remove the grid from the game. Because it might look ugly on the long run. For now, let's see. Individual icons. Ooh, you're so sweet. Thanks. I'm using the button here. I just need this image. Thanks. Okay, first image. We have the first image. Do we have something for the grid of the game? I don't know. Well, we can make it. I think making a grid on an image is pretty fine. Not necessary now. We can do it later. I will do it when I finish everything else at this point. We should have a priority for things. And having a button to show how to open the main menu or the map menu should be one of those. So, where is it? Is the map icon? I should add a button that says press V as world map. Well, continental map, it's not really a world map. We should double it in size, maybe? Let's see. Let's try here. Oh, I love the new feature here. I love the new feature. Yeah, it's way too small. Way too small. Okay, have a nice dinner, Tunofelian. I will be awaiting for your return. Yeah, that's the classic joke, never mind. I should double it. Hard edges. And we have it a little bigger. Like our protagonist. Right? We can make it a little taller here and add a simple text that says even a little wider maybe. Later we shrink it. Oh, we also need to change the window font of the game. I think that would help a lot. And the sounds and the music. No! I will do the music out of stream. Map. A little bigger, yeah. That's also not the best font. Well, it could work, but we should maybe decide first the font. Wait, we should first decide the font of the game. Why not? There was a section for free asset for the gem, so why not? Fonts. Google Fonts, we can work with that. Something that's easy to read. I don't know how to look for it. Well, let's scroll a little and find a decent one. Here, okay. No, those are too crazy. This one is, no, too serious. Something less serious, but not too crazy. It's hard to find, right? This one? No, too serious too. This one is weird. Can we have a middle way, or I scrolled too far? You can have a 3D one, wow. This one maybe, but it's a little old, how to say, how to explain. Maybe I should filter by type. Yeah, now we are getting in the crazy region. We even just need a different one at this point. Sure, let's filter. Serif? Slab serif? Sans serif. I don't know the difference. This one feels a little better, actually. Scroll it. Ah, it's over. We could take one of those. This one looks cute. It's a little fancy though. No, a little less fancy. This one. This one looks fine. The A is a little weird, but apart from the A. No, the A, I don't like the A. That's only that, right? This one. This one looks a little serious. Come on, I can't have anything here. I'm not happy with anything. I don't like that the A is very weird though. What about serif? Well, serif actually could be the right choice. It's a little serious, but we can find a slightly less serious. Like this one or this one. They are the same. No, not really, but this one could work actually, yes. Something wrong with my world map. Well, it should be a text in the game, but So it's the Saurabi Minko. Sure. Thermos fuse should be free, right? I should check the terms. Every one of them should be free, right? Free to use. Okay, open font. Perfect. Perfect. Oh. Always check to avoid problems later. Okay. We have our font here. We should install it for using it right now. Okay, Sawarabi Mincho, here I come. Sawarabi Mincho, here it is. Needs a little borderline. Borderline, not borderline. That's. It's still a little too thin, I would say. I could add an outline, maybe. If the rest doesn't work, sure. Too strong, too strong. That one? Maybe this should reduce the outline, because the border here is a little soft. Yes, okay, don't mind it. I don't mind it. Could be better, but, you know, could be worse. Okay, a little wider. Let's center it. One more. One more extra for the P. Okay. We have it. We overwrite and it's ready. We have the map icon again. I should update. I didn't even check if the picture fits. Sounds about the right measure though. We should make a save icon. Now I realize. We need a save icon. Because there is no save point in the game. I need one. Also need to check if I load the game. Yeah, if I load the game, the map could change, so it's also a little risky. Let's see. For now, we should have a save icon. Yeah, this. Oh. A better one? Because this one could be interpreted as another map. Okay, yeah, this one is perfect. We have it. Again, we double it. Double or nothing. And we go with double. And we increase a little the size. That's the game, right? Wrong directions. Okay. So now we just duplicate it to the other map. Other image. Now we have center, should be center. Doesn't sound like center, sure. Save. Bigger. Okay. Doesn't feel like it's centered, but we'll make it work. No, it's actually centered. Show. Stupid symmetricity. Shorter. Larger. Okay, we have it. Approve. Crop. And we have the other one. We should place save above because it's the first thing that appears after all. Okay, so. The first one should be the save. Which is again here in the corner. We need to align the two of them, but for now it's working. They should still have an animation of pressing it. So we can just shrink it. I won't change the color. Okay, we just need those two actually. We need a button to return back. We could use again the map, but I would prefer an arrow. Do we have an arrow? We have a bow. No, wait, that's not really what I meant. We are not having an arrow. Well, we quickly check if we have one, otherwise we can also go without it. A shame though. Okay, let's see what cats has. There should be one for the interface, right? I had one of those. Maybe here. Buttons? Not really. Should be this one. I already have it though. No, there's not a back button. There's an arrow, but that's not really it. I just need an arrow. We can also go without it, sure. We should edit this one and make it a live map. Okay, I think it makes sense actually. We should also make it wider. Just to write live. How high is it? Please. Okay. Okay, live map, here it is. Should be a little more together here. Okay, yeah, I think this could fit. This could fit a little less, maybe. The L and the E's are a little too much attached together. Okay, here. A little more, just on those two. Yay, okay. So again, the trick is go until the borders and transform selection. So we can have a fair equalization here. Okay, it's not really called equalization, I know, but I need to come up with new terms, otherwise we'll be stuck in the previous loop of recycling the entire dictionary. I know. Return. Of woo, I wonder. Okay, we have the last one. Maybe the last one? Leaf map. Which is a little bigger, but that's the only thing that appears in that section. You can't even save. Yeah, because saving that map could cause some problems also. Okay. We have the buttons. Now we need to place them. And to block them. And to make them work. And that's too much work. That's too much work. Also, I forgot. I should probably... Well, I should add a number here. Letter, sorry. Just to remind the player that he can just press W. Okay, oh, this works fine. We don't even need the text below, actually. We don't even need the text, wait. The text is useless. Here. We can just do that. Map only. And we should make one of save only. Oh, I love this music. And the S for, well, save. Since we won't have a menu, we can just save. Here it is. Where did I go? Here. Save only. Okay. Now we have just two icons. We need to place them. How do we do? So we also need another function, because those buttons feels like you can press them. And I still, well, it's the best way to show the instruction to the player. So we use button picture. That makes a picture clickable. I'm pretty sure I remember how it works. It's pretty simple. So, how do we make them appear? I should make on the parallel process maybe. Okay, this one defines the matrix, activates the things, and sets the initial state. Ooh, maybe this one should be on the initialization. I should make another one, which runs every time. Runs every time you enter the map. So you show the picture map only, which actually isn't unlocked right away. With that, but it's the most important. So maybe we show it first. We can go on the top or left actually, yeah. Here. And the same with the save. Hoping they don't overlap. Or they are aligned, even. Okay, the map only doesn't appear right away, but we can fix it later. Now use the plugin button picture. Set button picture for the picture number 4. We trigger the common event number. We already have it, the map, which is 14. Okay. And the one for saving. We don't have one for saving, so we need to make it. Which might not be this simple, because when you load the map, we might lose some details. Oh, well, not... It doesn't happen if I save the step matrix on a variable. Which I don't know if I do. Okay, no, I do. Okay, never mind. Then it might work. We need to consider though that a player can open a menu and save and leave every time. We'll see. But well, as a memo maybe later when we make changes on the map, on the go, on the runtime, we should always save them on a variable. Okay, we can make one for saving. Easy. It's just this easy. Open save screen. Easy. There is no button to return to the main menu, but that's what we have. Number 11. For the button 5. I should also make the animation, but for now, let's see. They are. Oh, they are not really aligned, but... Also, there's a problem that when I press it, the character tries to move, which is not the best, but for now we will leave it like that. And the world map. She still moves! That's not pretty nice. I wonder if I can stop her before it activates. I don't think so. That's pretty ugly, but... Well... We should also make a... Save trigger, or can open save menu. So we can also press S. Do we have a way to check for the save, for the S button? I forgot. Because there isn't in the base functions, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a button that can be used by default. Is pressed here. Okay. Input is triggered, I suppose. When you press, we press for the first time. I hope S is a valid option. And we call the saving. Needs to be a parallel though. So, open save menu here. I hope we won't have too many parallel processes. Maybe we can make a little delay to avoid lagging. We can just check if it's pressed, which is different because it counts if the button is down in any moment. Triggered means it only counts on the first frame the button is pressed down. And we wait 4 frames. If the player can press the button in 3 frames and not trigger the save menu, well, it doesn't happen. Let's hope 3 frames are not that much. Okay, let's see. S. Oh, it doesn't trigger. Doesn't. Maybe because the function doesn't. Let's remove the wait just for now. Parallel process. We activate the parallel process, so there shouldn't be any problem. But there is. Well, we can go without needing the button. Wait. Wait, it's not called S, right? There was somewhere in the code where you can define where it appears. Hello, return of return. Nice return, I would say. We are now trying to associate the saving to S button, which is not necessary, but I was hoping it won't take that much time, so enter. Here, okay, that first try, we got it. So, those are the buttons allowed. I was hoping there was also the A button. We can link it to the page up. Okay, what's the code for the S? Code for letter S. 83. Right here. Can we make a double? Let's see. Yeah, we can make a double. Sure. Not the best place to make an edit, but it works. Okay, now we just press page up. Or we check the pressing of page up. And we have the same menu activating, because clicking moves the player and it's pretty upsetting. Is being pressed. Okay. We can place a wait for 4 frames actually. Okay. I just want to a save button to work, okay? And it's working. Even if I press very quick. Okay. 3 frames, 4 frames of wait are nothing. Okay, this time it didn't count, but because it was very fast. We could reduce that to 3 frames just because we are fancy and it's not lagging. And we are fine. Okay. We got the basic functions, right? They are now working. Oh, no. We still have a problem though, because you can see. First, I don't want the player to save here. At least it returns back. That's one thing. But I don't want the player to save here. Also okay, at least also where is it? Wait, I need to call different ones here. I need to switch the function because they are calling the same function and we might get problems. What does the V button press? Or link to? Event 14. When I press the button, activates this one. I don't get why it's working, because it shouldn't. If I press twice, it shouldn't work. So I'm very surprised. Ah, because I'm pressing W, not the button. If I'm pressing the button again, we will have a problem. It teleports here again and probably bugs a lot of things. So we need to readdress that button. So we place that button again. I would say go to continental map. At the end I place the button here again, with a different function, which is the next one, return to world map. In the meanwhile, while it's loading, we should probably deactivate the button. We just delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Delete. That thing, okay? It was the 4, if I remember correctly. Okay. So now it disappears and has a different function. Also, we should remove the save button, so we can also remove the 5. But pressing S will still open the save menu. So we need to deactivate it while we are entering. Luckily we have a switch for that, which is the 26. So we deactivate it, and we activate it later when we return to the world map. Okay. I'm surprised things are this simple. I'm very surprised things are that simple. Well, we got the hardest part. Okay, S doesn't work. W will return back. S works again. Let's see the button. They all work wonderfully. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We need a graphic for the blocked tiles in the world map though. We got the buttons though, that's what matters. So, later in the list. Okay, transition, we can have here a section for secondary, the transition. Then, you unlock the new area pop-up. This is also slightly secondary. We put it before the transition though, because it's still important to let the player know what they did. Step graphics. I forgot what they are. Ah, yeah, okay, no, we still have placeholder because I still need to see if the one I want to use are fine. Of course, I will change those. And the super mappa. I mean, super map hunter is simply when I enter the super map, this one, the continental map, there might be a random line of dialogue that triggers, which is something funny, of course. We can do something like that. I have a lot of, I saved some banters here. So we could. I want to make it progressively, so I think it's easier instead of having a random that can happen multiple times. Also, I want them to happen not all the time. Maybe after some story events they may trigger. So we need a variable to count them. Super sides banter counter. Mounter, I don't know. Sounded good. Okay, so it's 0 by default. I add one to remember. Wait. I should instead use just a trigger for the story. If I reach a certain value, it goes to the next one. I'm worried I could skip something though. I'm worried I can skip something. I need a trigger to it though. Also the point is, the map is not really that straightforward. If you want, you can skip the story and go to the side village here. Which you still need the story, but you could, you can also explore this one later, even if it's a hint. Can you? Well, maybe you need to enter here for the puzzle. No, you need to enter here. No, never mind. Still, at this point, based on the based on the amounts of times you enter the mode, okay? So every time it increases by 1. Or we can have a 50-50 chance to increase it by 1, I don't know. We can make different counters. For example, each time it increases by 1, and after a certain threshold, we can say that if it's bigger than 2, let's say 3, it goes with the first line. And this will be called each time I enter the continental map, right at the end. Okay. We have a different one when you leave and return to the world map. So it's the same. And even here we need a new variable. Also, they shouldn't be aligned with the other one. We should have different numbers. So we can go with the 4, for example. Okay, and so on. I will place every one of them later. Okay, also, that's it, okay. That was pretty quick. Supermap banter added. Then we have a button to remove and add the grid. I really want to be able to remove the grid even if it requires some work. Because the grid is kinda awful, but it's needed for the puzzle. I will see later. Don't reset the map if no steps. This is also secondary. Because if you go in super map and don't move, it still resets your steps of the previous time. Title screen, wait, the title screen! Ah! This is needed, but we can do it next time because it's first important to complete a game. For the title screen though, I want to have a map. I want to make a map title screen. So we need a plugin to skip the title screen. Do we have it? By default. Do I need to... Sorry, I want to remember terms. To provide here. I was forgetting the term. They should provide that plugin by default. So let's take it from Respawn Banter, sure. Game, hello. We have a lot of things. Maybe I should have gone in the folder. Yeah, it should be a default one. Yeah, it's that useful because you can have a not ugly title screen. Let's see. I have one, but it was for it also fixes a bug in another plugin. I hope it doesn't cause a problem. Sure, let's paste it in the folder. Shouldn't be a problem though. Okay. And skip the title screen. Perfect, it works. So now we need a default map where to make the player start. Title screen. We will of course have an overworld, our overworld, with those stats. We could use the other map even. We could use the same map for the title screen. Not this one. This one is the default one. I want the original one. Of course, I will change it so it will be only temporary, but we could also no, I don't want to duplicate it, otherwise I will make confusion. Let's make some random values here and we are fine. Let's get only the main part here. We can fix it later. Okay, works well enough. Maybe we can go a little lower. Since you would see the top of the map. Okay. So, I want the player to just randomly walk around. That's the purpose of the main map. I could also fix some bridges, which are broken for the puzzle. At the end, I don't want the bridges to break when you walk on them, because it doesn't seem to add anything. And also, it's a little hard to keep track of, and there's no, as I explained last time, there's little to no point, because you need a reset button. And how do I make a reset button in a world map? Okay, so we are not breaking bridges now. We are burning them. Oh no! And we will have the protagonist walking here. Simple. Let's see. Okay, I should increase the effects here, because, well, it's a titled screen, so we can go a little fancier. This one is to incline it a little more. We will find the right perspectives. The field of view. The zoom. I may need a little zoom, I don't know. What else? I think it's fine. Let's see. Okay. No, I don't want to exaggerate. Yeah, talking about exaggerating. Yeah, no, maybe we need a zoom in here. Also, there is a way to rotate the map, Artiso style, which we won't use in the game, but looks so darn cool, so we are gonna use it. It's also simple, so super easy. So I need to find it. I always keep a resource folder, because it's very useful. Scripts. I should call it plugin actually. Oh well, it's not reordered by engine. It's kind of a mess. Should be this one to rotate. No, this one. The yaw. Oh, what was the yaw? The roll. Should be this one. Also, this one should be negative, right? FOV, no, should be little, just a little. And here it should zoom instead. -8, I would say. A little zoom. So, we have it. That's a little weird. Messes up my eyes. But it's cool. Should be a way slower, but can work. Okay. So we can have her walking around while this thing rotates in a more reasonable speed. In a more reasonable speed. I would say 10 times more slower. Oh my god, yeah, that's a pretty cool plugin. Unfortunately, it has the big problem where you can't reset tiles above you. Events don't really fit in the tile set. You can't edit the world map on the go. Has some harsh limitations, but it's incredibly cool. Okay, now it's way slower. Okay, I forgot the possibility for it. I should also change her sides while walking. I don't know. I think that might be it. Okay, FOV. For now it's 6. Maybe it should increase while walking. For example, here it gets 16. And maybe it can increase indefinitely. Wait, the more you let the title screen play. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, those are the default things. Now, we should also have a zoom though for it. Also, the controls are pretty ugly. The controls are pretty ugly. I'd like to make a 3D project with RPG Maker after the demo of the card game. Oh, really? Going 3D with RPG Maker, unfortunately, seems pretty hard. Also because this plugin again has limitations, and you can see there, it's not really 3D, only the caras are 3D. As you can see, everything goes flat. It's just a flat image. and the events don't render correct. They render not in perspective. Well, they render in perspective, but not with the right, how it's called? The escape point, the vanishing, without a right vanishing point, because they are sprites. But still looks cool. So maybe I can zoom in every time I increase the size. Let's see if we have a right value. That's a shame though for the plugin because it looks cool, but the limitation will ruin it a little. I still want to make the Artisio game, but with RPG Maker is a little limited. I should find other ideas though. I want one that matches. Almost? Almost. Really almost. There should also be a limit. 120 may be enough. I need something simple though. Kinda. We can do it just a bunch of times. Maybe we should decrease the effect. Here, 12. So we can also decrease the zoom out. I just want her to walk randomly and something happens. Like this happens. Okay, it's zooming a little too much. I should also add some space on the left. Okay, I need to see if... first of all, let's get a higher pitch. 10 should be enough. Only once. The field of view will get updated later. So they can disappear. And the yaw also is a parallel process, which I hope it can reactivate each time instead of overloading again. I can go auto run. No. Yes. No. Let's go only once, sure. For now. And we need to move the player. Let's see if I spam left, we won't have any problem. Because maybe the game doesn't consider it a left. I think it should. I'm pretty sure it should be a left. Yeah, it's not only left, because I'm not using the game commands. It's also pretty weird having everything rotated here, but that's the only thing I can make here. Wait, instead of just rotating it, which will look ugly, I could make a different sort of rotation. I can make it rotate slightly on the left and slightly on the right. So like 30 degrees on one side and 30 on the other. So 30 here, it weighs the same amount of frames, and it repeats. So it scrolls a little on the left, a little on the right. Okay, maybe a little less. No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. The additional rotation is a little weird, though. It should be instant. Okay. I want to make myself a plugin. Oh, that sounds like a lot of work, actually. Maybe something simple. Anyway, it will take some time. I also want to make something 3D for another my game, again Artisio, but I might try another engine because RPG Maker is a little limited on that side, even if it can do cool things like this. Okay, so let's also move the player. So player. So let's count on do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I should make it quick. Okay, stop here because I'm not even sure this is the final map. And we need also something that changes the sides around after some time. So we can wait like 5 seconds, increase this in sides, other 3 seconds, and after No, those are 10 seconds. No, 5 seconds. After other 5, it reverts back to avoid problems. And now we have the world map, which is not starting. Awesome. This goes alone, this also goes on its own, and let's go. Wait, I suppose the movement is a problem, right? No, it's fine. The bridge is still body blocking, god darn it. Ah, okay, maybe I got the problem. Because there is the broken bridge hidden below the working bridge. What a surprise. Here's the world map, okay. Why it's still not working? Stupid bridge. Why? The passage is working. Maybe because I also got the other tile here? No. Why it's not working? Okay, I suppose I should set this piece as passable. Wait, it's not passable. Why? Sure, let's go. And here we have it. She should change sides earlier though. Yeah, way earlier. Question. Did you start a respawn banter knowing you'll make a commercial project out of it? I don't know which direction pick for my current project. On a side, I like to make a tech demo, short game and moving to other projects. Or on another side, I like to commit to the game and trying to push for a full release. Okay, I didn't start Respawn Banter as a commercial project because I already was on To the Upper Dam. So, that's the wrong one, oops. So I didn't want to make a commercial project, but at the end I loved the idea of the game so much that I decided, yes, I want to make it a commercial project. So it all depends. It all comes out from the release of the game. If you really like the idea and the public really likes the idea, then you should definitely continue the project. Otherwise, it's still a nice project to add to your curriculum or to your list of games. So yeah, the idea is first you make games. You make the demo and the working thing. If it's working and you like it, you continue full game. If you don't really like it that much, you will place an end to it and make a smaller project. The important thing is starting. Well, since we are here, sure. Let's complete our movement pattern. So down should be here. 1, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Then down, 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 down. Left, left, left. Left, left. Down, 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 down. And now left. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Okay. I should maybe start. Oh, it's fine if it starts down. Yeah, you can't even see it. Okay, now she's bigger. Yeah, okay. We should make her bigger after a while on the title screen, maybe. That's the best title screen I can make with RPG Maker, though. Also, I counted one more, but I was pretty close. One less. Okay. Also, we should make something way bigger here. For example, here. After a wait, way bigger. Let's say 42, random number. We need a bigger zoom though. Okay. And we need to undo it, of course. Hoping it doesn't lag. Spoiler, it probably will. But let's see. I think about it after the demo launch. Okay. Yeah, it's always a good idea to hear about. Well, the first important thing. Oh, yes, it's working. A little less zoom though. The first thing is hearing what developer thinks, if the developer likes the project. Because again, we have the example of Lollo that had the project that everyone liked, the Necroma, but he didn't really like the idea. So even if it was said to be a probably successful game, the developer has the final say on it, and Lollo could have easily continued the project and made big money, but I understand, or makes more sense, that developer needs to have fun on what they are doing, because until you are earning money, you are doing it for fun. And it's not fun if you don't like to make the game. Okay, we need a last fix here. There is, well, we just need to zoom it a little less. That's it. 150. Okay. And maybe a bigger world map. Yeah, we probably also need the options, the title, everything, so maybe it's not really ready. We should make a smaller also in here. Okay. Why not smaller? So we go smaller here. And then we increase and we loop. Minus, again, we exaggerate a little, 42. And the camera distance, just a little because it may lag. And now the opposite. Okay, just to have a cool starting animation and whatever. Slightly bigger, way bigger! Okay, small, and now, it's not small enough. Okay, now it, yeah, okay. I shouldn't have that many middle animations though. Okay. We still need a title, and the commands, the options, and remove the stupid menu, okay? Well, for the menu it's easy. Here, no thanks. We also need the images for the new game continue. Options. I should have an option menu actually. The default one, but better than nothing. Super cool animation. Thanks! Thanks to Ultra Mode 7, which is incredible. Okay. We should make the options menu. Or just new game continue options. That's it. Close game, maybe, if we feel fancy, but not that much. Let's see. Can we use this font? Or it's a little too simple? Well, I should make one based on the resolution. I didn't decide on the resolution, but I will use the default one at this point. I could fit on the screen, but I'm worried it could lag with this plugin, so I will keep the default one. So 816, which is a weird resolution, if I can say, and 612. No, 624. Okay, just to have the measures. I probably want to place it somewhere in the bottom, on the side even. I don't know. Okay, we need some text for the menu and a fancy art style. We can now use maybe a... I forgot! I forgot to place our incredible... font. Sawarabi Minko. Here. So let's see. Before everything else, we should place our font. Because it's cool. Main font. Copy. With the full name, I suppose. Okay. Paste. Let's hope it works. And it's not a fallback. Okay. I forgot how to place fonts. Understand me. You only do once for project. Here. Okay. Yeah, we are missing a chance to see the text though. Here. The map. Like the mom. Doesn't appear even that frequently, the text, only in the dialogues. Okay, I don't think they fit that much. But it's a problem for later. So at this point it makes sense to look for another one. This one could be fun for the menu actually. Why not? Here, so Ming Wo. Which one of those two? Oh, the first one, okay. Wallfleet. It's actually the second one, oh well. Also, I like the name Wellfleet, like Valfleet. Never mind. Okay. Wellfleet, regular, here it is. Okay, that's pretty quirky. Maybe too much. A bit too much, let's see. There's no... Ah, okay, it's by default caps lock. New game. Maybe that... Wait, we could use this for the title, actually. Well, for now, we get the options. And Google Fonts free to use, yeah. They have the... where is it? Here. The license. Which is... I suppose every one of them, it's open font. Just in case, it's good to check every time. So we should have new game. Is it fine? A little smaller though. Would be fun to have also those text increase in size, but maybe it can get complicated. Also I need to... Screw it. Screw it. It's a gem game. Let's make a choice menu. Screw it. Choice menu it is. I start here, hopefully. Choice menu it is. So, show choices. Let's see if it works. New game. Load game. Options. I suppose you can do all of those. Parallel process. You can't undo because, well, would create a problem. Let's see if it's that simple. It's that simple. I should place it better. Can I place it on the bottom? Yeah. Middle. Ah, no, wait, you can't. I don't like it. But we need to stick with it, right? In the middle it's even worse. Can I place it above? On the left, maybe. Wait, I remember there was some trick with the text box. If it was an empty text box... Wait, if it was a transparent text box before, it aligned differently. Or was it me? Yeah, if there is a text box before, it aligns differently. Wait, let me try. Okay, here, it's a little better. Not the best one, but... Also, we can remove it by just doing this. This. If I place it in the middle also... I don't... Wait, it's below... Wait, it's below! Wait. So I can just do this. Okay, I learned this trick while developing Auto Stranding, the Jamie Dungeon Labyrinth of whatever my grandma is cooking tonight. Okay! I forgot this trick in RPG Maker, actually. This works wonders. With the main menu, which is not working because we didn't need to set the options. Still, it's working. So, let me remember how to load those things. I will copy from the Respawn Banter main menu. I could use images, but this is way faster. Let's see. Is the title screen? Well, I think it's from the common events. I should translate to English just for streamings. Okay, you can check if... No, new game, you just report a map. Continue. You push scene load. I can also play a sound. Why not? Not this one. I forgot every sound. Ah, I also removed the sound from RPG Maker. We need to stick with the default ones, I suppose. And also the option menu, which is here. Push scene options. We will play the same sound effect at this point. Okay, new game, you just teleport to the new map. Let's also make a fade out, sure. Transfer player. The map. The start of the game should start here. Down. No fade, because we already do it, and later we start. It's parallel, so I can make a fade in. No, it's a auto run. Hoping it doesn't mess up anything. I may need to change some parameters, but for now let's see if it works. Also, another sound. A slower one because sounds cool. Respawn Banter leaks. There's not actually a lot, anything to leak from Respawn Banter. Only the maps or the conceptual maps of the other acts. That's it. And the name of the acts. Like 1, 2, 3. Those are the names. Spoiler. Okay, I don't like the font. Okay. We still also have a problem. Because there's a trigger on the city where you can't enter after the intro. We can fix it later, but we have a main menu now. I'm so happy about it. Wait, we need that title. The title is something is wrong with my word map. We could think for a better one, but I think this one fits better, and it's also a little clickbait, which we always need, I would say. I could also make the protagonist move somewhere else, but for now it's working. She said not now, don't insist. I'm sorry, I just wanted to know. Oh no, that was heavy soft lock. Nice. Okay, we need to fix the font because I don't like it. So this one isn't a... Is it that one? We need a better one. Well, we can go with this one, sure. Well, first let's check license. Perfect, open font. Wait. There is one in the... In the selected families, wait. No. Okay. I was getting confused. Okay, this has the letter A little weird, but... Maybe it's still fine. Montagu's Lab, right? It is. Let's place it to the folder of fonts. Delete the previous one, I don't like it. The name is pretty long, but I hope it counts. And now we have our... Well, definitely better. I don't know if it's the right one, but for now, let's see. Okay, that's way better. The A is still weird, but let's see. Not now. That's better. That's better. I would say that's better. So we can keep this. We need also window skin. I had some saved window skins that were pretty cool. I don't know if they are correct though. Let's see, I saved a lot of materials here. Even it's pretty old. Was it the tieset file, right? Sprites? No. Maybe I moved it, I don't remember. No, tieset, it's there. I don't think it should be in tieset, but let's see. Yeah, nothing is right. I'm pretty sure I saved some some things here. Or was it? No, it was for Exploit Keeper maybe. Well, we can find some free type. I forgot the name. Text box around online. Let's see. Exploit Keeper Extra. No, that's not here. Okay, I tried. I will look for it later. Let's note it down. Priority before the others. Windows skin. Okay. I don't remember where I saved my Windows skins, but fine. Okay, we did the title menu. We need the title for the game. Well, the main image. It will require some work. I have also a slight idea for it, though. The title should be something's. I don't know if I should shorten. I think keeping the is in the same phrase. My world map. Okay, it's a title, right? I save it there. Something is wrong with my world map. Perfect. So I wanted to set a title like this. Something is wrong. Maybe wrong has a different, has like a cut in the middle, I don't know. With my and world map is written in a different way. With my should be a little on the left. A little on the left, darn it. Too much on the left now. Here, okay. And world map should be written in 2 lines. World map, something like that. So with my should also be closer. Okay, I still don't know how to place the title, but I'm finding ideas. So I want a ball of the world map right here. And maybe we can, I don't know, make a word gigantic and the other small, even if it's kind of hard to read. We can make some. Also, just to note, let's make the strike here. I have an idea. Here. Let's make it red for now. Okay. Something like that on the text. A little better though. The problem is all the weight on the title is on the right. You have all the cool stuff on the right. So we need something else here. What else can there be though? We have wrong. We could make the entire everything is wrong on the entire line. Like this. It's a little too long for having a feature like that though. There should only be on wrong or is wrong. But again, all the weight is on the right. So we need something here to equalize, I suppose. Or we could just... no. Placing a world map below. We should make 4 lines. Something. First line, second line is wrong. Third line with my, and fourth line world map. Too much. Wait, instead of a ball, we should use a effective map. Pixel map. Free to use, yeah. Good luck finding that. Don't look at me as bad with the user interface. I know! I'm too! I should ask Lollo. We just need one idea though, and we can have at least decent title screen. It's something I'd like to improve, but I don't know how. Well, you know, we only make one title for game, so it's pretty hard to practice by not trying to practice. Well, I still try to manage somehow, but my titles are not the best. But with a good font, maybe I can have some luck. So, again, I should make maybe something about huge or small. Word map could just be text on the word map icon. Something. Maybe some letters can be huge. I think that could balance. Let's see. Okay, it goes down though. So I should balance them later. One letter very huge. No, that's just ugly. Never mind. I could just keep it like that. We don't have much time to decide a better design, right? With my... We can play something in between here, like a line or... a foot stamp. I don't really want to place that in the title though. Because I have an image ready for the foot stamp when you unlock a new path, you create a walkable path, but I don't really like it for weird reasons. I suppose I can have some steps walking. Some walking steps can work without having the full image. So it's in other one. Here it is. And we can have those. I will take the bigger ones because it's the same but bigger. So it has a bit better resolution. Okay, works fine. Should be on the lowest layer. In a folder, sure. So, where should it start? I think it should start from the bottom here and walk in the middle. A little more here. Okay, it's at least decent, sure. Can work for a quickly made title. Also, we are talking about the word map, so steps are kinda make sense. A little lower. We can make it end on the map icon, so it will end correctly. Here. Okay, we have it. We have something. The steps are not even aligned correctly. Like the previous one is weird also. Why did I have two groups? I have two groups. Let's see, this one is a little not in line. Okay, way better. Okay, that's something better. Still not really aligned, but we can work with that. We also need an icon for the map. We have the solution. That's not really what I'm looking. Wait, no, something like that. Wait, starter stock. It's free? Oh no, I need to load, right? I need to log in. How much? $15? No thanks. I hate when it... I don't know. This one looks fine. Let's hope it's free. Don't... No, premium image! Screw you! Ah! I can work with this one, sure. We open it... I get it. We need to open a lot of those because none of them are free, right? Right. This one? No, it's a treasure map. Well, most of them are a treasure map, never mind. Let's see, it's the same site. Free trial, yeah. Wait, trial. Bill monthly, no thanks. Sounds like a scam. Why isn't anything free in this world now? Oh, wait, I get the special word. Free! Yeah, maybe I'm asking for too much. This one. This one also looks fine. I hope there are conditions for use. Add free in the search. Yeah, that was a good call. I need to know if it's free to use. Shutterstock, probably not. Yay! Yay! ×2. This one? Royalty free. It says royalty free. It's Shutterstock though. I hate Shutterstock. No! I should take one from RPG Maker Vix. Wait, I have the solution. We take it from Big Size. Unfortunately, RTP, I need to take them from the game. So, it was system. Oh, wait. Ah, I updated. Right, I added one. High concept here. And there's surely a map here. Okay, here's one. A little low resolution, but pixel art, you know. Okay, we have it. We have it. We can now use it. Finally. Okay. It's a little small, but yeah, fits with the game, right? Here, our map. I can count the pixels, awesome. Well, it's RPG Maker. I should maybe take another file and increase it from there. 4 times. Hard edges? Still too small, right? I'm getting close though. %600 now. Okay, pretty close. Then 800%. Now should work. Okay, I think it's fine. We should make it even bigger though. Don't you feel this urge of making something bigger? Okay, no, never mind. I think it sounded neat with the sound, with the theme of the game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. And we have at least something. It's a little too big though. Because you can see that there is an empty space here. We should make it a little higher. Or we can use the smaller one at this point, sure. But move the word map text. Okay, and maybe something wrong with... Ah, it's attached. We can make this a little closer. I mean, I said closer. I can't. Okay, now it's working. Sounds kinda right. Again, though everything is clashed here. I could just remove the strike on the wrong then. And maybe place a word map a little down. Okay. Still not the best one, but can work a little better. Maybe with my should be really a little down. Okay. Just to be in the middle. It can be worse, okay? It can be worse. Now I need the colors. Also, maybe I should duplicate this group because the colors are too weak. Okay, way better. the color. What sort of color should I use? Here some brownish red maybe. Too dark. But should be bright here. Okay, this one doesn't sound that bad. And here we should use similar colors without forcing it too much. Something is wrong. I should try another font for this one. Rage font, how to call it? Just to emphasize the wrong, I don't know. Do we have a ruined font? I'm pretty sure there is, but that's not easy to find. Chinchu Japanese? Ah no, I don't. Never mind. Sorry. Well, we can look for it online. I think it could help from having a ruined font. Let's see. Yay. Ugly? No. That's not easy, right? Just be quick. Handwriting could help. Monospace? No, that's not what I wanted. Display. Okay, display can be on the right track. This one? Maybe. Not really sure. Just find one. This one is a little flowerish though. This one is cool, a little weird, but sure. I'm not looking for too much though. This one? Okay, this one also can look interesting. Just to be sure, the license Apache la... Okay. It's the same, right? Yeah, I can. It's a different name though. And then I don't have the money to pay a lower to tell me, yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's try this rock salt. Interesting name. I hope it's not exaggerated. It's the same color, little reddish. A little dark. Okay. Not really. No, it's not. It's not really good. It's not coming good. Maybe I should. No, don't undo this much. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. Let's make salt rock here. Maybe world map should be. Okay, I think this is better. Having the world map have a different font may help. So we just need a color for this one now. Yellow was pretty decent. Okay, we are onto something. Could be worse, as I say. Could be worse. A color for this one, I would choose an orange maybe? Or I could use a different approach. No, I don't like orange. I need something behind. Maybe I just need... Okay, oh, I have an idea. We can have an ellipse. Cool, looking better, yay. I think we can end it with an ellipse. With a different color, maybe. And maybe half transparent. Should be below. Half transparent, a little more, maybe. That's not that bad, actually. Let's try different colors. This one looks fine. This one also isn't that bad. This one... Oh. This one was good. It's a little... similar to the other red, though. This one. I don't know. Surely better. And maybe I can place the world map text a little higher, just to stay a little in the circle. Also the border, or we can have other blending options, because the text is fine, but could be a little less plain. I don't know. Like a little glow. It's not really noticeable, but... Okay, here it's a little... I don't really like that much. I will decrease a lot, okay. The shadow. They need a shadow after all. Closer and on the side. I always like this side. They still need something extra. I could add an extra outer line. I usually like those. To make that, I create a group and apply another filter to the group. Oh wait, but there's a problem. Wait. It doesn't apply. Ah, because it's empty. Let's see. Yeah, I exaggerated a little, but it should also apply on the shadow, which is not what we need. Yeah. But if we make it yellow, white... Never mind. Never mind. Never mind at all. A little bolder could be interesting, though. So never mind this, but we can make the line a little bolder. Ooh, no, not really. I don't really like it bolder. Reminds me of Animal Crossing. Yeah, the text, because it has some depth at the text. I think we can settle with this, but maybe the color of the lips is too similar to the world map. I should change a color. Maybe find a complementary one at this point. Yeah, surely not this one. A purple, maybe. A dark purple, even. Okay, okay, we're into something again. A dark purple could work. Yeah, because it enhanced the text on it. I still don't like that something is wrong. It needs an upgrade. Maybe the color. A little lighter, sure, why not? And we need better blending options. This surely not. If I decrease the effect. Like this. Soften. Well. Okay, that's a little better. It adds some depth, but it's not really invasive at all. Let's see if I can apply it also in the other... on the other text. No, doesn't work really well on the world map, but still needs something, because the text is a little fancy and needs something to differentiate. I would say a shadow, again. Close. Or a glow, maybe. I don't know. I try random things here. This thing. No, less. I would say it's fine. Maybe, wait, maybe only on this we can increase the stroke. Only on this one, okay, only on this one, the stroke. A little less. Sounds good. Let's see if I can align it better. I think this is a good alignment, so the letters don't go one over each other. We could move the map and we are ready. Okay, we did it! It's a little simple, but it works! It works! It works! We have it! We have it! The title of the game! Better than not having it, or better than the default one, right? Should be titles? No, wait, no, it's a picture. Yay! We have it! Okay, now time to place it. So, together with the I should place it on a parallel process, like this one. Show picture. Also, I should delete it after. Setting. Okay. Working wonderfully. Just to, maybe to make it complete, I should make a little zoom in, zoom out, right? So we could make it on a, well, that's extra work, but it would add a lot. So, first of all, we set the center to the center, so we can move it better. Here. And now some small animation. Move picture 1. Let's make a slow start, why not? And increase the size by 100, 200, this thing. In the same position. Which is 408 to 88. Also, same origin, perfect. And then it returns back, and it loops. Returns back, so identical but the same width. We should make it smaller actually. But it needs to start smaller also. Maybe too much. 90% is enough. Okay. Let's see now how it works. Ah wait, parallel process. Here we go. Come on, my title. My wonderful title. Yes, it's going a little bigger, but also it accelerates. You should also slow down, maybe. So slow start and slow end. 110 is enough. Maybe even less. Let's see. Okay, yeah, okay. It's still a little too high. But we have a decent title! Whoa, that's incredible! I'm surprised that I did this title in like 30 minutes. 30 minutes for this thing. Okay, maybe it still needs to be a little higher. Okay, I should change that when it zooms down, the default value then is a little higher. So like 240 here. And maybe zoom in even less here. Also because it starts on a lower value. Yeah, it works. You may see it moving a little though, but it's fine. It's fine, really fine. Wait, we can add one last thing, which is the option to lower the plane of view, so the character doesn't go over the text when it grows, like now. There's some space to move it lower. That's really an extra thing, we don't really need it, but sure, since we are here. Resources, scripts, Ultramod. I maybe need to keep it open. We don't need the respawn banter. Respawn banter is cancelled. Let's see. Pitch, no. Which one? This one. Ah, it was this one, right? No, the pitch. One of those. Camera Y, here. Sure. No. Yeah, that's the one. Let's see. On the start here, I hope it's going down instead of high. Maybe I should call it on loop, just to... No, let's exaggerate, sure. Just to see where it goes. Okay, it's the right value. A little less. Also should be instant. Yeah, okay, we have the perfect height, actually. We have it. Okay, now it's when it's very small, it's weird. We should increase it only when it's small, just to be sure, you know. Even if I don't know if people stay there that much. Should be somewhere here, right? Okay, this one. Sure, let's this time make it higher and then reduce it back by 200 again. We shouldn't lose that much time in the title screen. We still did something incredible. To complete it, maybe I should increase my map size to avoid black borders. Let's see now. It's going small, and you can see it. Okay. It's working. We have the time. We have the map. We have the map. Okay. It's working. I'm really. It's unfortunate that the game doesn't look this cool in the actual gameplay, but that's how clickbait works, okay? We have it, okay. We don't need anything else. Not now, yeah, sorry Kalena. Yay! I'm so happy for having a decent title screen. Also, the name is definitive at this point. Let's not change it, otherwise we need to redo everything. Yay! We did the title screen! Now, block a cave if tile layer 3 is on. Okay, this is a specific scenario, but... Oh wait, I can't test anything now. Wait a minute. Here, let's place it in a better position here. Let's place it there, okay. Any position than the city. Okay, we have a problem, which you can't really even see. Oh. Okay, we have another problem. We have another problem. We need to reset everything while we enter the next map. I'm surprised it doesn't reset by its own. The map continues to rotate? It does! Ooh. That sounds annoying. Well, we have the fade out, so we can do whatever we want. Like, remove the first picture, for starters. Then we stop moving the player. For like 12 frames, sure. Then we need to restore everything. No, the player resets the position. We need to stop every other animation though. Is there a function to block to stop every animation? There has to be. Let's see. That's a little lower. Also need to make the credits. Those are the comments, set fade in. Is there something to clear? No way to clear them, really. I can just call them again with a value equal to 0. Sure. So, those are the first time. They should be instant also. Then the yo. Let's get 0 yo. Yo. So, plus 0, I suppose it works. Here also, they need to get updated. I hope also again, setting everything to plus 0 should fix everything. Because I stop every animation, basically. Did I forget something? Probably, but let's see. Okay, seems to work. Okay, the problem I was saying was this one. Not this one. Okay, no, that's not how I meant it to go. Let's stop the after step banter. Okay, the continent banter, sure. Also the after step banter for now. Okay. And now where's the problem? Okay, never mind. Okay, explore this thing, enter. Make one step. Okay, not here. You could walk and make a step on the cave here. But it will still work. The cave will still work. There is still the vent. So I need to make the vent disappear when it's covered by one of those. Because otherwise you can't pass and maybe you can even enter there. So we need to go on the common event of the cave, right? Here. I just need to make a check to see if there is a tile tree on it. Luckily I saved every... Wait. There can be some tile tree on the lines here. I just need to check if there are caves on this section. Oh wait, it's the title screen. Oops. I mean here. Okay, doesn't seem to be any cave near this line. Okay, this one here though. I can move it though, it's not a problem. Also, this one is broken, doesn't even work. Okay, nice to know. This one is in the other side, so it should be fine. I can just move them down. The positioning is not very important. Okay, I need to check the tile value on those coordinates. So, get the variables of this event. Ah, it was this one. Game data, character this event, map X. I also get map Y. I could go with code, but while I'm looking for the code correspective, I already solved it. Let's go with temp. Cave tile ID, sure. We get ID layer 4. Ah wait, I just can do this. I can just do this event, sure. Okay, it's better. And we get this thing. Let's output it just for fun. Just for safety, I would say. It's the value number 12. Okay, and should be 0. Unless we do something tricky. Okay, unlock here. Okay. Woke up. Ah, woke up anyways. Ah, from above. Okay. And yes, we have a number. Just to be sure, let's see if it works even if there's nothing. Okay, so if the number is not 0, then it means there's something above. So it should be deleted. Let's see. It's pretty simple. If this variable is not 0, it means it got overwritten by something, and it should die. So there is an event. That's simple. And now you can even walk on it. So it won't body block you like it did now. Let's see. Now you can't. Lock the zone here, sure. Walk down. And now you can walk on it. Awesome, awesome. It works, it works. Okay. Is the inclination correct here, or is it a little too high? Oh well. Let's save, sure. Ah, let's see what happens if we reload. Ah, yeah, there may be a problem about it. Because gets the step matrix every time it loads. I should close some folders. Okay, because... Okay, let's see if we have a problem with it. We shouldn't. Why, spawn banter? No, no, no. Small edits. Let's see. It probably is from here. Yeah, it's from here. When I load the map, I trick the engine to read other values, because unfortunately that's how you go up, you go around the 3D plugin that messes up some functions. And the step matrix, which counts where you walked on the big overworld, the gigamap, saves where you walked. But it's also saved in a variable, so we can just use the variable here. Since every reload of the game, these permanent values, or these global values get deleted. Except the game variables, of course. So let's see. Return to game map. And you save the step matrix in the variable 15, so I just need to replace that. That's easy. And ciao Ramaro Marrone! Oh! Come va? Salve, benvenuto. What program are you using? We are using RPG Maker. It's a little underrated program, but for a single developer, I think saves me the hassle to program something that doesn't work. Now we are just fixing a little problem related on the loading. I always give it for given that there is a loading in the game, but thanks to RPG Maker, at least we can also have that. Since I don't have a team, at least. So we should define this variable before. Oh wait, it's already used here, so we can just define a local variable and use it everywhere, instead of having a variable that later, when you reload the game, doesn't happen. Is there another one? No. That's everything. Awesome. Now we shouldn't have a problem when we reload the game. We don't even need to make another save file, right? Okay, we have it. It also saved our plane thing, which I need to apply the graphics later. Okay, I'm surprised we don't have a problem here. Unfortunately, there are still lots of things to program. Oh wait, I also need to test. What if I save while doing the animation? Let's see. I can save here, and something is telling me it's not a good idea. Wait, no bug, really? Oh wait. I can't even refresh it. Well, doesn't seem to have a bug by loading. Maybe the graphics are a little messed up because should be pixelated. Let's see if it's a problem of maybe it's a problem of the initialization. No, it's fine. So if I enter from outside and reload, we'll lose the pixelization, which is a little problem, but we can fix it by just defining the values each time we enter or leave. So for example, when you leave the village, I make the inverted value here. From when I leave, it's not pixelated. When I enter, it's pixelated, but I can just set false here and true on the other side. Right here. Okay, now we should fix the problem. There could be other problems, but okay, now there is still depixelated, but it will solve when I leave and enter. Otherwise, they will still switch one and the other one. Disappeared my thing on the ground disappeared, or maybe it's another save file. Maybe it's another save file. Save here, just to mess up with something. We also need to do something on the title screen, because it's messing up on my brain. Okay, it's still there. Awesome. So we need to do something on the title screen. Can you guess what? Every time you load a game, usually it defaults to load game. Here it doesn't. So we need to use a function. Again, we use no respawn banter. So again, we are opening the other project. to check if we have any save file. If we have, it defaults to the other value. You can't really do that with a simple option, so you need a second show choices. So I need a condition. Let's see. I'm getting a lot of mileage by by checking what I programmed for this other game. Oh, thanks Return of Ilian, just in time. There should be something here that defines the first spawning images. I don't know, I don't remember where. Probably spawner menu here. Okay, here. This information. Data manager, is any save file exist? Tells us if we have any save file. Which is important. Very important actually. Okay, so if it's true, we default to the load game. Otherwise we have the default one. Just to be sure we make a double of everything. Well, not really. I will make a double of the choices, but not of the effect, just in case I want to change both of them. So, new game. We go to load game, and here options. And we jump straight to here. New game. Load game. And options. Okay. And now here we default to choice 2. Also, just to be a little cleaner, we can change color here. On the, if we load the game without anything, then it's gray. I don't know the gray color. Should be 8, 9. Let's go with 9. Even if we won't see it because it defaults on load game. Yay. Awesome. Awesome. If we open the menu, okay, options, you just return here. Awesome. Awesome. Just to see the color. It should look like this. No, that's not the right color then. Probably it was, yeah, it was 7, 8, not 8, 9, because it counts from 0. Okay, here, okay, I think it's the right color. Not too invasive, you can still select it. It's perfect. 8 it is, okay. We have the main menu. Isn't that incredible? Just to complete it though, we should scroll it a little on the right. Well, let's also increase the width just to make it more waterish. And shift on the right by a good amount. Okay. Now you maybe won't see any black space. Let's see. Now it's better. It's still a little cut, but we can fix it later. Okay, never mind. You still see something. Then we might... I think it's impossible to fix this thing, so we should apply a parallax. Here. At least we can see something from the parallax, which is better than seeing the black. Okay, it's way more acceptable. Way more acceptable. Hi, Donavetic. Are you Italian by any chance? Yeah, definitely. It's that easy to understand. It's that easy. Well, yeah, I'm only practicing by almost a year of streaming in English. I got a little better, but of course, I can't solve it by just this few time. Just this. Yeah, I also mess up some English phrases. Oh well, that's why I'm streaming. I might want another walking pattern, but it's really secondary. Now we have a title screen that fucking works. And it's kinda cool. Kinda. Can have still some problems, but very cool. I hope it doesn't mess up a new game. It doesn't. Okay. I still need to start the game from somewhere. I need to start with the intro and make an ending. I got some slight dialogue in the middle, but that's it. I also need to program the temples here. The temples allow wrong map. The temple allows you to activate a bridge until you activate the global map. That means though we need to refresh the current map, because unfortunately the 3D plugin has some problems. So I need to refresh the map to load in the bridge. I think though it's fine. I can refresh the map from nothing. Way better. Thanks. Good job, mate. Your English is really good. I'm Italian too. Oh yeah! Fantastico. Good job with the game. I'm way behind with the development. What are you doing exactly? I'm curious now. Unfortunately, the team... I feel like the team of the jam this time is a little too specific. And so it feels a little harder to come out with original ideas, because everything has to do with increasing inside something or decreasing something in size. So unfortunately, we won't see much games with a different approach, which makes sense. At least I tried to give my take on this one. Okay, a simple way to refresh the map is just to teleport on the same position. So, we need to inject some code on the base code to trick the plugin to load the map we want. It's again the workaround that works. So, this thing is the base code for reading a map. The code I added after is an injection to edit the value the game reads, instead of looking into the plugin, the thousands of lines of code where it loads a map. It's better this way, to just intercept the code. So, this thing draws the things we place on the super map. We should place here something else. Special bridges placement. So, we only have 4 bridges, well, 8. We have each temple activates 2 bridges, one here and one for the final puzzle. So I need 4 switches to check in a true or false value if the bridge is active, and then overwrite the map values. So it sounds pretty simple. Also another thing, you can activate the temple only if you are in a specific size. So we should limit it for now. Okay, here, and you activate the switch. We need to create it. Here. Bridge 1. We should make one for each bridge. Also, I should give them better names. Yeah, okay. This will be the bridge Gaudio. Some sort of happiness. The second one, which is the one here near the castle. We don't need all of this, okay? Second one is near the castle. The third one is here after the forest. And the fourth one, I don't remember. No, never mind. The second one is this one near the desert. The third one is here, and the fourth one, I don't even know if we need it. Oh well. So, here's the names. Bridge Gaudio. Bridge Koala, because it's in the desert. You know, there are koalas in the desert, right? yeah, when you bring the corpse on the desert, that took a dark turn suddenly. The bridge frigid. Or Frieza, okay. I like it, Frieza. And wait, no, the last one should be Frieza because you activate the bridge on the ice zone, sure. And the third one is the bridge Lopunny. A cute Pokemon. There's also some rules about Lopunny for using it in competitive. They are pretty deep. Search around Lopunny Rule 34 to know more about the competitive, right? Never mind, I'm kidding. No, don't try it. Okay, it activates Bridge Gaudio, which should make a bridge appear here. We can use it again layer 3. We can use layer 2. As a temporary value, we should use this bridge, which I never use elsewhere. I'm not participating in... I was thinking, Return of Alien, you found an idea to try to make. You refuse... Abbandonata, sorry. We are all Italian, we can... No, never mind. Not abandoned. I was looking for a different term. Abandoned maybe could work, never mind. Idea to be abandoned. Nintendo ninjas are coming after you. I just brought Lopunny. Where's the problem? There is a rule where you... there is a rule in Nintendo rule set where you can use Pokemon names or about Lopunny. For more information, look up Rule 34 Lopunny. Okay, I will stop joking, I'm sorry. Okay. So, we need to know the code of this bridge to place it correctly. But it's simple. Is it? Here. We get the code here. So.log. Wait. No, never mind. It's the first value. So this code is to show the ID of the object. It's always useful to get to know the value. Okay. And now in the console it should show us the value. Why not? The loading works. I'm a little small, but it's fine. And the value for the bridge is 2. No, wait. That has to be wrong. No, might be right, because it's the second value of this tile set. Okay, we got lucky. Kinda. So now, when the switch bridge Gaudio is on, I draw the image 2 on those coordinates. How do I know those coordinates? Good question. Okay, first of all, let's write the first part. So, if game switches value of 10, the bridge Gaudio, if it's equal to true, then we draw it in their exact coordinates. I'd like to participate in more jams, but I'm committing to one project for now. I should do it too, but unfortunately the project goes and stops, so instead of just not doing anything, I think it's also a nice commercial way to take a break from the main project and also create some other interactions. Publishing your game in those sort of jams gives a lot of visibility, so I'm pretty sure it will help. Also, when doing a particular game, I can get other people. Games are stressful, but they are fun. They make you at the test, and you can stop whenever you want if you don't find a nice idea. It was a platformer where you couldn't directly move, but you had to scale player body. Touch increase, decrease sides to push yourself around. Ah, okay. Sounds an interesting concept, but at the end it was just movement where you left a trail behind you. A trail, yeah. It was just movement with extra steps, maybe. Maybe except you can't stretch it back, so... Yeah, the idea sounds cool on paper, but on practice, I find it hard to find a entertaining gameplay, honestly. Then depends. Again, my idea didn't work for the first 2 streamings. At the end of the previous one, right? I found finally the idea that revolutionized everything, which was again the super map movement, which can create some places where you can walk, even on water. It has a reason behind it, but I'm getting a little embarrassed by explaining it, so I will leave it to the final build of the game. So, if we activate a bridge, when the map loads, it should draw the bridge. We already know the value is 2. We don't know where to draw it. So, the value is 2. And we draw it exactly here. 47, 22. So, 22, 47, was it? X and Y are inverted. 48, 47, 22. It's correct. I'm not forgetting anything. Let's put it in the lower layer though, just to avoid problems. Okay, should work. Well, we have another bridge to draw, but it will be replaced later. Well, just to be sure. 39, 57. Just to have it. Okay, now we also need to update the map. Ah, wrong map. Ah wait, so I got the wrong values. No, I got the wrong map. And then wrong values. 17, 12. Only this one we make now. Did I got it right? Oof. Okay, now maybe I just need to reset the map. I just teleport myself to the same position without even loading. And let's see if it works. Also need to be small, so... did I mess up? I did mess up. I got a problem here. Games which is value. It's wrong. Games which is value equal true. I wrote it correctly, right? Of null. With value of null. Maybe games which is not defined yet. Ah, maybe data is... Wait. Ah, I should insert it here, because here I check if... okay, because when I load the game, the first instance, the first frames, the data is not loaded correctly, so I should wait a little. Okay, I should put it inside here then. Okay, easy. Easy now. Okay, it's fine. Now, let's hope we don't have any bug by loading. We should be small. The cave is not working, but it's fine. The bridge is... Ah, I forgot to remove it. Here. Ah, okay. For sure, gems give a lot of visibility. I'd like to participate more. Yet the Game Maker Toolkit Joe is a little hard to compete, because even in visibility, because there are too many people. And even if you publish a web game, it can get lower visibility than usual if it's not in the top. It's the bridge. Reload map. Did it work? Okay, it's working. It's working. Now we have the problem. Well, problem. If we enter the big map, which we shouldn't in the small form, the bridge still stays there. I want to make that when we move in the big map, the bridges disappear. I can make when I enter, but it's better when I make a movement. Any movement. So should be there. Okay. I will deactivate all the switches because Bridge Gaudio, Bridge Cola, Bridge Lupani, and Bridge Frieza. 10, 13. All of them off. Each step, but it won't load, it won't lag anything. I have a magma blob that shrinks over time, chased by angry peasants. Oh, poor blob. The blob leaves a fire thread that burns peasants and reduces them to bones that player has to consume to against. Ah, okay, so it's some sort of I don't know how to call it. Yeah, but some sort of game where you lose your resource, which is some sort of health. Your size is your health. Okay, that's an interesting take. It's more though on the graphical side because... No, it makes sense though. I get how you got inspired maybe. Because for slimes the health is the size, so it makes a lot of sense. Game Maker took it insane. Biggest gem. Yeah, it's every time the deadline approaches, each IO crashes inevitably. I don't know if everyone will deliver the game. No, usually 1/3 of them deliver. The last year we got something more than 6,000, which were a lot. What I wanted to do, I forgot. Well, first of all, I shouldn't let the player allowed to enter the big map when it's in the small sides. So we can just do a check here. If the player is small, 0. Let's make a butter sound. Our favorite, right? I prefer this one though. Let's also give a text just to explain. Map not working. Map not working. I think the player will figure out, right? Not correctly in the... No, I think it's fine. And then you stop everything. Exit event processing. Okay. I think it's enough. Oh wait, no. This is called by the switch. So it should be deactivated. Okay. Now that's more like it. Do I need something else? I think that's everything. Well, since we are here, we could do the option to remove the lines. Those things. The entire game should have those lines. Now I will place them. Okay, so it's something like that. Last layer. Line here. Lines here. Wait, let me show it. A line here probably, yay. And here. Also those caves should be on the lower layer. They are wrongly here, okay. I did mess up the placement of some things, but it's fine. And also there should be red sides here because I think the player really needs an information on where the platform will be placed when you move on the giant tile. Unfortunately, even if this is pretty useful, it's a little invasive. So I would really like an option to remove it. Because the final game will have the graphics like this. Let's copy this. Okay. For example, this will go everywhere. A little lower. Come on. It was right actually. Okay, here. As you can see, the game will have this grid. I placed it in the wrong place. Okay. Which is actually needed, otherwise it's very hard to understand the puzzles. The problem is they may be a little invasive. You can see here. Also, those things go above it. Which is fine because should be on the red thing. Maybe I could edit in the final graphics. As you can see, when you do the big step, I should maybe center the map a little, but when you do the big step, they place on the red line. So the player knows almost exactly where the platform is placed. Which, in coherence with the theme, with the story, it's the walking steps from the big form. I'm not gonna explain that. I will let the final version talk for it. I think it's better. Still, point is, if you walk on the big map from here to here, it creates in the middle here a platform to walk on. So this is kinda needed. I think the map has some charm looking like this. Isn't that bad, honestly. It's interesting. Huh. Okay. Maybe I don't need a way to remove it, but could be nice for the player to do it. If I have more time, I will do it. But to let you know, the game will look like this at the end. Maybe without an option to remove it. Okay. So, what else is in our list? Block a cave, did it. Utility, okay, return to last city. Not really needed the utility to return to the last city because you could walk back. It's useful because sometimes you need to unlock a piece of map and then return back. Okay, something we need though is well, just to replace a thing, I suppose. Since I'm here, let me replace something. The item that blocks the big map. I lost it. Here, People Map. Nice name. Okay. I don't need those things, right? So I can just mark it as not visited with a big black spot. A little less. Okay. Another layer. Another layer. Okay, here. So all the not explored zones in the map will be slightly darked, like this one. Again, I suppose I can overwrite the tile. It's a little shame though, it was kinda nice. Oh well, too late. Never mind. I can save it elsewhere. I don't know if I did a backup of this tile set. Here. The other two tiles are needed. Okay. As I said. A little darker. Darker, yet darker. Now we can finally see the final effect without having weird temples to show where you can't go. And let's take some more time to check out our incredible title screen. Oh yes! Okay, let's return to the game. So, I'm not here. Let's unlock some map and now? No. Ooh, looks better than I thought. There is the tile here which is not really correct, but that's awesome. Well, it looks pretty decent, considering it's only a black image, right? Here, oh, that's awesome. I should maybe align better the steps. Because they are not aligned. I'm doing too many things here. Okay. They should be a little higher, the steps on the minimap here. Okay, I can fix it later. I will note it down. On Gigamap. It's not a form of Pokemon, the Gigamap. That's another thing. Looks clean. Thanks. Yeah, it looks a lot. The only problem is the 0-0, which counts. But I have a patch solution here. We just place an event with the tile right there. That's smart. I suppose the player will never explore there. Okay, it will appear beforehand, but we could do the same trick. Can we? For now I'll leave it there. It's a fix for later. It's only a small graphical bug. Corner of Gigamap not black. Okay. It's a problem for later. Now, what else do we need? The final section. And we'll do it later. Game page. Then window skin. Unlock new area pop-up. The pop-up, I really want the pop-up because the player should be incentivized to unlock new areas and get notified when they do. Because it's a key feature of the game. When you unlock new area, you can walk on them in the Gigamap. Where do I get the pop-up now? I suppose from the resources. For example, Master MV? No, MZ. I should look for... Maybe there is a section for that. I will look for it later, maybe. Here, plugin MZ. Never mind. Master Demo maybe has some pop-up. Maybe I should look for it later, though. I think it's right time to... No, it's 11. We can do one more check. The pop-up. Where do I see the pop-up? Well, let's play for the demo a while and see. Give me a moment. I close the window. Too bad. It was kinda fresh. Kinda. Too many flowers also. I should maybe remove the volume. No, not this one. Other one. Okay, a little better. So, what? Oh, okay. I don't know if it's here, but variable HUD maybe. I need some decent pop-up of anything, really. Maybe it's another plugin. Okay, I may look for it later, but it's a shame I don't see it here. Unfortunately, I should play more on those demos. Galv. Galv has to have it. Come on, Galv. I trust you. Galv. That's probably here, but maybe it's so basic that they don't even mention it, but there is. I don't know. Otherwise, I can look for myself. The master demo may also work. Message plus. I will look for it. May look cool. Okay, then we will end the stream now. We did all the main fixes I wanted to make. We can also end the stream with a cool title screen, yay. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, yes. Something is wrong with my world map. Okay, I was saying, sorry, I got distracted by the cool title screen. I need to do a lot of work extra, which I will do out of stream, which is all the music and the sound effects. Some extra effects. We need a game page. We can do it tomorrow, maybe. I don't know, but I should do it in before, maybe. And probably some other things. Yeah, I need to place other dialogues and finish the game. Yeah, that's that. That's that. Okay. Other than that, there's something wrong with my world map, but we already know the drill of it. At the end, it's starting to look decent, let's say. Okay. That's everything. We can raid Spoon, it's a long time we don't raid them. Sure. Okay. That's everything for today. We will do an extra stream tomorrow, some hours early. I have in the paratable now on the ending screen, where we have 1 hour to make the final touches or the game page at this point. But we did a great job yet. I need the last part of content to make it workable, and we are done. Thanks again for coming by, please stay on the raid, and we see ya whenever happens.